toast crust, Tweedy's favourite. Ha-ha! It does look tempting. The food's not for now, Fluff. Oh, crunchies, Fluff's favourite. Where's the toast? Excuse you, Fluff. Stay. You've got to try really hard, Fluff.